2024 has been nothing short of amazing for the custom keyboard scene, and after reviewing a bunch of them, let's go ahead and take a look at my top 5 keyboards of 2024. Let's jump straight into it. At number 5, we have the Evo AT by QWERTY Keys. In terms of pre-assembled boards and the accessibility to it, the Evo AT honestly really stands out to me. The most important thing when it comes to pre-assembled keyboards is how it sounds right out of the box, and the Evo AT does not disappoint. So my favorite part about the Evo AT is the choice for sound profile before you buy the board. Typically, most pre-built boards don't really provide you with a choice. You normally get a default set of keycaps and a default set of switches, and they usually just have a really foamy sound profile. But with the Evo AT, you actually have two pre-configured sound profiles to choose from. It's a very simple decision between a deep sounding keyboard or light sounding keyboard, and I think that is usually the first question most beginners ask. What switches should I get because I want to achieve a certain sound profile? I want to achieve a talky sound profile. What switches should I get? So having this choice for a buyer really makes the process a lot easier. On top of all that, we actually have all the modern features that would future-proof the board. The ball catch system, magnetic daughterboard connection, triple mode connection, south-facing hot swappable PCB. With all the features it has, it basically will allow the user to upgrade it or mod it anytime they want to change things out. And the final 2 points, it's a TKL. A 80% keyboard or a 75% keyboard is my go-to layout when I'm giving recommendations to a beginner. There are no compromises on function and still save some space compared to the usual 100% they would be using. And last but not least, they have a lot of variety. They have 10 different colorways to choose from, and it's in stock, so it makes it extremely easy for any beginner to get into it. Before we get into keyboard number 4, I have actually partnered up with QWERTY Keys to give away a Evo AT. It will be a completely brand new set, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can enter this giveaway. Moving on to number 4, we have the Aula F75. The Aula F75 is the most affordable board on this list, coming in at $50. I decided I should at least include one budget option for those of you who are on a tighter budget, and the Aula F75 is going to provide you with the maximum value for your money. We have a 75% layout, which is the ideal layout for most beginners. We have the volume knob on the top right as well. The overall aesthetic is very neutral. It will go along with most setups, and it also has triple mode connection. To add to it, this is one of the best sounding budget keyboards under $50. The switches are very smooth, the pre-loop stabilizers are basically perfect, but the only downside to this keyboard is our PCB. 5-pin north-facing sockets, which is why it comes pre-assembled with OEM keycaps. So if you're thinking of changing cherry profile keycaps, you might run into some interference depending on what switches you're using as well. But for $50 as your first custom keyboard, this will definitely provide you with the best sound profile and typing experience at a budget price point. Now we're moving on to number 3, and it's none other than the Wooting 80 HE. This is probably the most expensive keyboard on our list today, coming in at $200 US. HE keyboards are undeniably insanely popular in 2024, and Wooting is standing right on top of that. The long-awaited Wooting 80 is a board that satisfies not only the gaming but the custom keyboard needs as well. Of course, we have all the gaming performance and features that we need, but on top of that, Wooting actually put thought behind the sound profile and typing experience of this keyboard. If you take a look at a direct comparison from the stock 60 HE to the 80 HE, it's worlds apart. They have improved the sound profile and typing experience by a lot. When I first tried the 60 HE, I never once thought that a HE keyboard could ever sound good, and the Wooting 80 just proved everything wrong. And in terms of a TKL layout, I don't really know of any other HE boards that can provide you with a TKL layout and still have that gaming performance and feature. But that layout is also one of the main downsides to this keyboard. Wooting decided to go with a more unique TKL layout, something that we have not seen before, and we don't really have customizable cases for us to play around with. But I do know that KBD fans just recently announced and probably released a new customizable case for the Wooting 80 HE, and that is one of the reasons why I put Wooting 80 at number 3. Now coming in at number 2, this is in my opinion one of the best gaming / custom keyboard of 2024. The Halo65 HE by Nufi. This comes in at $99 and still blows my mind to this day. If I'm not wrong, I believe this board will be an in-stock keyboard, which is amazing, but let's talk about its features. The gaming performance and features are no disappointment. It's what you would expect from a keyboard. And on top of that, for $99, you will be getting the upgraded version with the ever so popular Magnetic Jade Pro switches. So with these switches, you already know this keyboard will sound good. Nufi also did put thought behind the sound profile profile and typing experience, we have a top mount with some basic dampening. And to top it all off, the software is second to none. It's probably right behind Wooting. It's one of the best softwares I've tried on a budget HE keyboard. But now we are at number 1. And it is none other than the Bridge 75 by Shortcut Studio. Coming in at $130, this is the most bang for your buck keyboard of 2024. Like, there is no doubt about it. I don't know if you guys have different opinions, but it is the most bang for your buck. As a pre-assembled keyboard, it sounds amazing right out of the box. For upgrades, we have all the modern features that you would need, so this future-proofs it, and they even offer a HE variant of the keyboard. I honestly can't think of any other HE keyboard out there that has all the modern features that custom keyboard has. So I'm talking ball catch system, but on a Hall effect keyboard. I have never ever seen that before. The best way to summarize the Bridge 75, imagine all 4 of the other keyboards that I have talked about in this video combined into one. That's the Bridge 75. It's everything good about the 4 keyboards, but placed into a single keyboard at $130. The only downside to this keyboard is software. The last I checked, it wasn't really top tier stuff. It wasn't close to VIA, wasn't close to Wooting, not even close to Nufi. Hopefully they do improve it over time, but if you're okay with a little compromise for a better keyboard in terms of compartments and parts, then you should definitely consider the Bridge 75. So before I bring this video to a close, let's talk about the Evo 80 giveaway. First of all, a huge shout out to QWERTY for sponsoring this keyboard for the giveaway for you guys. Secondly, to enter this giveaway, we have 3 very simple steps. The first step is extremely simple. All you have to do is go into the comments down below and comment down below how you got into custom keyboards. For second and third step, all you have to do is follow me and QWERTY on Instagram. The winner will be announced about a week or 2 after this video has been released, so just check out my Instagram. I'll be releasing the results there. But thank you so much for the support in 2024. Thank you once more for 100,000 subscribers. Your support means the world to me. You guys have blessed me with the opportunity to create content throughout the whole year of 2024, and it has been nothing short of amazing. I hope you guys had an amazing 2024 and an even better 2025. So for the last time in 2024, I'll see you guys in 2025. Peace.